Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I was going through my trip pictures and I just realized that tourism, economy and architecture are so related to each other. तो मैं बैंगलोर गई थी बिकॉज मेरा एग्ज़ाम चोरी सब कुछ हो गया था एंड आई जस्ट थॉट आई नीड अ ब्रेक सो आई वेंट with my mom and my sister to Bangalore just for a vacation. So we stayed at my mama's place and we visited a lot of places because I wanted to explore Bangalore. We went to the botanical gardens, we went to see the Vidhan Saudha, we went to see the the red coat which is present there, and we also saw a lot of structures that were exciting to see, and that because also I belong to architecture field, so I picked up places which had amazing looking structures and we went and visited them all. And मेरे को realize हुआ कि most of the time when we go as a tourist to any place, अगर कोई मुंबई में आ रहा है for Mumbai Darshan, they do show the Gateway of India, the Taj Mahal Palace. So, all these structures are what that the tourists come to see. You know, even when we go to see the Eiffel Tower, when we go to see the Burj Khalifa, it's structures. It's something that is being built. It's something that is being created. Even if we go, so we also had a trip to Hampi. So we went to see the ruins, something that was built civilizations ago, something that was built, something that was created by man, and something that is unique to see, because it's built. It has so much of craftsmanship. It is a marvel, something that people created, something that is worth seeing. And what is it? When we see Hampi ke temples, it's temple architecture, right? And when we see even the when we go to Hyderabad, we saw the Charminar. Again, architecture, different forms of architecture, whether it is Indo-Islamic, Persian, whether it is, there are so many different styles of architecture. Gothic, oof, so beautiful. So tourism has a strong linkage with architecture. हम लोग consciously subconsciously buildings देखने जा रहे हैं because those buildings are unique, because those are good. And who has a hand on it? Architecture. Which means कि it's so related, and tourism से economy strong होती है. Whenever for example Ayodhya, so when this temple is built, the whole airport was built, so many people came there, the localites of that particular area, they got their jobs and salary. And even if somebody had taken a plot in that area, the plot prices just rose so much because the area was so much in demand. Economy got boosted, and hence architecture, tourism and economy is so related. By building spaces, by creating great structures, we're also kind of making it possible for people to have a living, giving them a source of income, giving tourists a point to go and visit. Of course, there are a lot of natural things that people do go and visit, but there is also this man-made structures that have been built either years ago or in the present time, which we really go and wish to see. So even when I went to Dubai, we definitely went and saw the Burj Al Arab, the said mosque, which was a massive, huge, and beautiful looking mosque. Again, a structure built by a human, but so beautiful, surreal, experiential. So, the buildings definitely have an impact on the way we feel. So, I believe that no matter what field you're in, if you can make someone feel something, like for example, I watched Munjia yesterday, and that movie made me feel like so good. I mean, of course, I went to see because I really like the actor in that film, because he's a very good looking boy. But more than that, it is also the fact that the kind of skill that they portrayed, the kind of technology in terms of visuals that they created, I liked it. I mean, everybody might have different opinion about it, but I like the movie. So that also means that the movie made me feel something. And there are also amazing movies who make you feel that make you feel something. Even structures are the same way. They give you an experience, they make you feel something, something that stays with you. And I think that is so beautiful, having the power or the art and skill to make people come to you, get attracted to you, and actually make them pay you certain amount to watch it. Amazing, isn't it? Even when we go to watch a movie, we pay for the tickets and we go and watch the movie. Similarly, even for certain structures, people do charge amount. And if you have to go to look at the Mysore Palace, there's definitely an entry fees that you have to give, because it's such a art and such a portrayal of our art and skill, that to look at it, to literally witness that experience and be in that space, you have to pay a charge, and hence that is adding to the economy. These things are related, and we are just living in it, but we certainly sometimes don't realize. But what I'm trying to say is that architecture has so much of significance, and that I have understood over a period of time. Initially I was like, पता नहीं मैं क्यों आर्किटेक्चर कर रही हूँ यार, इन लोग तो बिल्डिंग्स बनाते हैं, पेड़ वेड़ काटते हैं, आई मीन दिस इज सो हार्मफुल थिंग, एंड आई वॉज एक्चुअली अगेंस्ट इट. But then when I look at the different aspects which are related to it, I just realize that wow, it's such a good field that I'm a part of, and it just makes me feel really good. And so I'm just trying to share that thing and that feeling with you guys. So every field is good in its own way. It's just that how we try to look at it and how we try to understand and dig deeper to it is when we understand things better. That's it for today, guys. See you in my next video.